Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup using Syncthing for direct device syncing step by step clearly. First, install Syncthing on all devices you wish to sync. Visit the official Syncthing website to download the application. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installation file. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. After installation, open the Syncthing application on your first device. You will see a unique device ID displayed on the main screen. Copy this device ID for later use. Now, open Syncthing on your second device. On this device, click the Add Remote Device button. Paste the first device's ID into the designated field. Customize the name for this device for easy identification. Click Save to establish the connection. Return to your first device and approve the connection request. You will see the second device listed on the main screen. Next, decide which folders you want to sync. Select Add Folder on the first device. Choose the local folder you want to backup. Label the folder for easy identification in Syncthing. Enable folder sharing with the second device by selecting it from the list. Click Save to finalize the folder setup. Repeat this process on the second device if you want to share additional folders. Ensure both devices are connected to the internet. Syncthing will automatically start syncing files between the devices. Monitor the sync status on the main screen. If you see any errors, check your firewall or network settings. Once the sync is complete, you will have a reliable backup between devices. Feel free to adjust sync settings based on your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.